Is this the toughest budget rugged phone of 2025? Meet the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro, a device that laughs in the face of drops, water, dust, and extreme temperatures. But is it just all brawn and no brains? Or does it actually deliver performance where it counts? Today, we're diving deep into real-world usage, brutal tests, and all the specs you need to know before buying. Spoiler alert, this one might surprise you. Ulefone Armor 34 Pro Product Overview. The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro, released in early 2025, is the latest addition to Ulefone's popular rugged smartphone lineup. Designed for outdoor adventurers, field workers, and anyone needing an ultra-durable device, it's built to survive harsh environments without sacrificing core smartphone features. Known for their rugged innovation, Ulefone has upped the ante with this model, offering 5G, a 108-megapixel camera, and a massive battery. This isn't your average mid-range phone. It's a survival tool in your pocket, aimed at users in construction, law enforcement, or extreme sports who need power, endurance, and reliability without breaking the bank. Ulefone Armor 34 Pro Performance. Under the hood, the Armor 34 Pro packs a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G chipset paired with 12 GB of RAM plus 12 GB virtual and 256 GB UFS 3.1 storage. For a rugged device, it delivers a surprisingly smooth Android 13 experience, even with heavy multitasking or GPS tracking apps running. In real-world usage, this phone handles daily tasks like messaging, web browsing, and YouTube streaming effortlessly. Even light gaming with titles like Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG ran without serious frame drops. The 5G support worked reliably in US metro areas, and app loading was snappy thanks to the fast UFS 3.1 storage. One small hiccup: occasional stutter in camera processing when toggling between modes. Features and tech. Here's what makes the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro stand out. 108-megapixel main camera delivers crisp, vibrant photos, especially in daylight. It even handles document scanning and barcode reading for fieldwork flawlessly. Low-light performance is average, but the dual LED flash helps. 6.78-inch Full HD plus 120Hz display, a pleasant surprise. The adaptive refresh rate keeps scrolling smooth and battery efficient. Gorilla Glass 5 adds scratch resistance. 12,000 mAh battery. This beast lasts 3 to 4 days with typical use or 20+ hours of screen-on time. Reverse wired charging lets it double as a power bank in a pinch. You also get NFC, side-mounted fingerprint reader, programmable button, and underwater camera mode, great for divers or hikers.
Design and build. Ulefone didn't cut corners on the Armor 34 Pro's build. It combines a metal alloy frame, rubberized edges, and a textured back that enhances grip even with gloves or wet hands. At over 500 grams and 18.2 millimeters thick, it's chunky, but purposefully so. The phone meets IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD-810H standards, meaning it can handle drops, high-pressure water jets, and submersion. There's a custom button on the side you can map for push-to-talk, SOS, or launching any app, ideal for professionals and outdoor users. It's unapologetically rugged in style, but with a surprisingly premium touch thanks to its display and camera bump design. Pros: massive 12,000 mAh battery with reverse charging. Tough as nails IP69K and MIL-STD-810H durability. Smooth 120Hz FHD Plus display. Versatile 108-megapixel camera. Fast 5G plus large RAM and storage combo. Cons: bulky and heavy, not pocket-friendly for everyday users. Average night photography. No wireless charging support. Battery life. Let's talk battery, because it's a monster. The 12,000 mAh LiPo battery delivers up to 3 to 4 days of standard use, 55 hours of call time, 50 days of standby. With 33-watt fast charging, it takes about 3 hours to fully recharge, which is fair given the size. reverse wired charging is also supported, turning this rugged phone into a power bank. Price and value. At around $349 to $399 USD, depending on sales and sellers, the Armor 34 Pro punches well above its price bracket. Competing rugged phones from CAT or DOOGEE with similar specs often retail at $450 plus. Plus, with its massive battery, 5G, and camera chops, the Armor 34 Pro offers serious value for field workers, outdoor lovers, and even budget-conscious users looking for durability without sacrificing modern features.